Hi, I'm Saki, and today I'm going to show you how to slice tomatoes for burgers. Now you may think that you already know how to slice tomatoes. I mean, it's kind of a no-brainer, right? Don't be that person. Let me show you something. Take a look at this burger. Notice anything wrong with it? No? Okay, let's try something easier. What's wrong with this burger? Okay, so duh, the patty is way too small. But wait! What if we made it a legitimate quarter-pound patty in a different shape? It's technically equivalent to a normal-sized patty, but I'm pretty sure you would send this one back if you got it at a restaurant. The obvious problem here is that you're not going to have burger patty in every single bite. Every bite needs to have every burger component represented. So let's go back to our first burger. This bite right here does not have any tomato. I don't know why people think this is okay. Even actual burger restaurants don't seem to get it right. Look at this garbage. Look at it. Okay, so let's talk about how not to solve this problem. Now you may be thinking, oh, I'll just slice 2 slices of tomato. Wrong. This will result in some bites having an overrepresentation of tomato. The burger to tomato ratio will be off. Plus, your burger will be unstable since tomatoes are slippery. So what now? Well, the easiest solution is just to find a tomato that's the size of your burger patty. This is a dummy-proof way to get a perfect slice. Just look at this burger. Look at this beautiful burger. But if you're not so fortunate as to have massive tomatoes, here's a workaround. Take your 2 slices of not big enough tomato and cut them in half so that they look like Pac-Man. Place the first Pac-Man on the burger, have him open wide, and then feed him half of the second Pac-Man. You may have to shave down the pizza slice so that they Tetris together. Ta-da! Look at this beautiful burger. Every bite will have tomato in it. Now that you know how to slice tomatoes properly, you are prepared to host a 5-star grilling party. Be sure to save your rotten tomatoes for throwing at people who don't know how to slice them. If you enjoyed this tutorial and would like to see more tutorials like this one, and other tutorials not like this one, subscribe to my channel.